Oh, come on, drizzle that sauce over there. Oh, get it cascading down. That is superb. That's buffalo chicken made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing buffalo chicken, a cracking recipe. You know, this started last night and I'll play the next bit of video. We marinated the chicken middle wings and you'll see that now. And then we'll jump back to where we are now. So we're going in reverse. Okay, well I'm using chicken wings. I'm using the middle wing. It's got meat on, it's got skin on, it's got a bone in. So that's what I'm opting for. I want a little bit of something when I'm actually biting into it. And what we're going to do is make a marinade. Now it's a very quick marinade and it works every time. So I've put my chicken in a Ziploc bag because it's going to go in the fridge sealed up. And what we're going to do is go in there with some white pepper. White pepper, we want to get some sugar. You know, you want a little bit of sweetness in here. So in with some sugar, in with some fish sauce, and in with some water. And that is our marinade. Now, don't worry about the chicken. The chicken is not going to taste of fish sauce. However, it's going to take on a umami, salty flavor. Now, when I say salty, I don't mean over salty. It's just going to be salty and marinated. You know, it's going to soak in the moisture. It's going to be moist. It'll be fantastic. This is the only way that you're going to get moist chicken when you are either deep frying or cooking in the oven. So just seal up our bag, give it a mix around, and that's our marinade in the chicken. And that is it. We're going to stick it in the fridge, and it's going to go in the fridge overnight. And our chicken will absorb the moisture and the marinade, and it's going to give us a cracking flavor before we carry on with flavoring it up for our chicken. So we have marinated our chicken wings properly. All the people are saying marinate the chicken and then they do it for half an hour. They aren't marinating anything, it's coating. This has been stuck in the marinade overnight. The chicken should have absorbed the fluid and the umami flavor from the fish sauce. Don't worry about the fish sauce. It don't taste the fish. So it should have absorbed it. It should make the chicken very moist. In here, my spices, salt, cayenne, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, baking powder. Now that's all going in there. We're going to mix that first and then we're going to drain our chicken. So let's just mix that. Now it's baking powder, not baking soda. It's the same thing that you would use when making cakes. So that is our wonderful coating which is going to go on that chicken. One side. Right. Our marinated chicken has to be drained and pat dry. We have to dry it. So don't rush. It's just a simple job. There's our chicken in there, look. And we are going to drain and dry. I've got myself a little colander and we're going to drain that out. We do not want any of that in there. So we are grabbing ourselves some kitchen towel and we are going to pat dry that chicken. Dry it the best you can, and then if you have to, just leave it on the side for half an hour to air dry. It doesn't matter. We want as much dryness on that chicken skin as possible. Just want to chuck that powder on there. So grab yourself a bowl, and what we're going to do it like this. We got most of it off, and now we're just adding that chicken to that bowl. Okay, there's our chicken in there. This is our seasoning that we've just mixed up. That's going in there. Spoon or hand, up to you. Just mix over your chicken, coat all that up in there. Oh, what a fabulous smell. What a fabulous smell. There we go, chicken done. Okay, next stage of this, you want a rack. Okay, you're going to get a tray to go in the oven, and you want some foil on the bottom, because this stuff is going to drip and it will burn on. So let it burn on there, you throw it away. We want a rack. We want to raise the chicken up a little bit. However, we want to oil our rack. A little bit of oil on there. Now you can brush it on, you can spray it on, you can do whatever you want. That's up to you. And I will guarantee that it will still stick to this. But we're going to turn it halfway, so it should help. There we go. Our chicken, we need to be taking out of there and putting on our rack. Put it on any which way that you want. Doesn't matter, we're going to be turning it over. And we are going to shove the oven on. The oven's now going on to I'll put it on at 190. Now many recipes call for chicken wings being cooked on a low rack in an oven. You know, around about 180 for about 30 minutes, and then turning it right up as high as the oven will go and cooking for another 45 minutes. Well, if we cook those for 75 minutes at those temperatures, there won't be anything left of those chicken wings. They will be inedible. You just can't do it. So watch your chicken in your oven, okay? Warm up your oven, and we're going to probably cook it at 190 all the way through. That's 380, thereabouts. And we ain't up and down in the temperature. It's just going to stay at that. They will crisp up. It's hot in there. Don't worry. Okay, it's had a minute. I'm not going any longer than that. Let's get that in there. I'm going to set that for 12 minutes, and then we're going to turn it over. And that'll give us time to make a buffalo sauce. So these are all the sauces I have at my disposal at the moment. We're going to use Frank's today. You know, it's the common one used in the States all over. Everybody's used to making buffalo wings and buffalo sauce with Frank's. However, you can use sriracha, Thai sauce, not a problem. And you can use Lingham's. You can come on to the Cholula hot sauce, or you've got the regular, which is hot enough. And you can even use Tabasco, and then you can come on to this. This is Encona, and it's the original hot pepper sauce, and it's as hot as heck. So that's the sauces I have at my disposal. We're using Frank's. Okay, we need a famous buffalo sauce to go with our chicken wings. Usually it's the same amount of butter to hot sauce. So there's some butter. And that's our Frank's hot sauce in there, but you can use hot sauce of choice. Now I can assure you that I've tasted quite a lot of hot sauces over the time, and I'm sure most of you have out there. And a lot of them are all very sour. I just want a little splash of Worcester sauce in there. That's another sour element. You know, if you actually taste the hot sauce, it's as sour as heck. Now, most recipes call for a tablespoon of vinegar. Why put the vinegar into something which is already sour? Garlic powder. That's a little bit of smoked paprika. And this is cayenne pepper. Now you can go as hot as you so wish. That depends what you like. Tablespoon of sugar. We want a flame on, and we want to start cooking that together. Now you don't actually have to cook this together. You could just put it all in and stir it together. But I like to bring it together and melt the sugar in there with the sauce and just infuse it all. But like I say, you don't have to. You can just stir it all in and don't do the cooking process. Now if you taste this and you think it's too sour, add more sugar. Add brown sugar, add white sugar, add any sugar, palm sugar. You know, some of these sauces are way too sour. That's our sauce done. Let's turn that off. Our chicken then, that's had 12 minutes. We'll get that out of there. And we're just going to turn it over and put it back where it is. So just turn all your chicken over. And you know, the baking powder that's in there is going to give us a crispy skin, but it's not going to be crispy because we've covered it all in spices. We're not after that. We're after a cooked chicken with a little bit of crisp and flavour. So just turn them all over. That's our chicken turned. Back in the oven. Okay, there we have it. That will do very nicely. Look at that. Look at those skins there. Listen. It ain't going to be crispy in a minute though. That is a fact. Right, we're going in there, in this bowl, with our chicken. There is our chicken. What a lot of goodness that is. Just give our sauce a stir through, and we want a little bit of that sauce in there. About that much. And we want to give that a little mixing up. We want a little bit of sauce on those chicken wings. Oh, come on. How good. Oh, the steaming. How good does that look? Whoa, look at those things. All we got to do now is plate them up. Come on there. Oh, fabulous. Oh, come on, drizzle that sauce over there. Oh, get it cascading down. Look at that. It's party time. Look. Look at that lot on there. That is absolutely superb. Come on, let's get dug in. Oh, you know it's got to be done. Ooh, these things are a little bit hot actually. Oh, come on. Let's get in here. Oh, wow. Oh, man. Oh, there's going to be a pile of bones on here. Oh, come on. In here. Oh, another one. Let's give another one a go. We have to just make sure that they're okay. Oh dear. It's so soft it's falling to pieces. That is ridiculously good. Now, if you want to take it to another level, you know, you could make a blue cheese sauce to go with this. It's not required today for me. I just wanted some fiery chicken with a bit of a hot sauce taste. That is superb. That's buffalo chicken made. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. Gonna have to try another one.